Sngap kumno keren jong uwe ni kinong song jong ka West Karbi Anglong, halor ka jing jia lapangap hakapot ka jela Assam bat Meghalaya. Uong ladaki kasih benar ki kuat ban od yok ba jong ki nilang jong ki Karbi yala ailat ki ban od yok ba jong ki da kabasuk pasai tang bawat ye syot yadat. Ulong ru ba kabadar kam de kametar ka jongi ndoi de kametar jong ka sarkar. Bat ul ben shushu ru ya ka sarkar jong kontrak sangma bar ka sarkar jong uhementa Biswa Sharma. Bat ulong ru nilang jong ki Karbi ko onra ek jong suk jong sai. Muslim kajai bandru Karbi bat Muslim kajai bandru Khasi.
Nothing. So from my side, what we want is that we want peace. The border is not our matter. The border is the matter of the government. But I hate Himanto Biswa Sharma and Pura Sharma because this government will not lead us into good life. They will destroy the Karbi community, and they will destroy also the Khasi community. They will destroy the Nepali community. They destroy the whole set of community. They are destroyers. So what at this moment, at this junction, at this very moment, at this present here, what I want to add is that we live peacefully, we want love and long live SCC, long live Karbi people, long live Gorkhali, long live Khasi.